Okay, so we are working on a Lennox rooftop unit. It has a complaint of no heat. So I already jump out from R2W inside here, and let's turn on the power. Let's see what's coming on. Okay, as we can see from the thermostat is calling for both stages W1 and W2. The venter motor is on. Okay. Ignition is on. Waiting for blower motor. That's the first contactor right there. Is for the motor. Not coming on. Let's turn it off. Open the section here. It's warm. And just give it a free rotation. Oh, wow, something's not right. Okay, so power is off. Let's jump it to green wire. It was taking a little bit longer to kick on for blower on. Okay, so now we can see the G light. Okay, so the contactor pulled in. It's not rotating. I'm making a loud noise. Let's turn on the power. Okay, so this blower motor is bad. We need to replace it because it was not even rotating freely. It was making a weird noise, and it's not even coming on when the conductor is on and making a loud noise. So this is the blower motor. I think the unit was going on a high limit. That's why they have no heat, and we'll come back with the new motor and replace it. Okay, so we are back with the new motor. So this thing is heavy. It's a dual voltage, 208 and 460, and our application is gonna be 208 3-phase. As the input supply, I already checked, the incoming power is 208 3-phase. So we're gonna take out this old motor, install the new one, test it. Okay, so I have taken out the motor, and if you can see, the winding inside that cage is cooked, completely burned. Yeah, let's see from this side. Yeah, looks like completely burned. Okay, we're gonna install this motor. The pulley seam the pulley is okay, it's not grooved, so we can reuse that pulley. See? Okay, so we have an issue with the new motor. Actually not an issue, the supplier gave me a wrong motor, so we needed a 230 460 voltage 3-phase, and this is 575 volt. So always double check before installing the physical label on the motor. Always double check that. So luckily we got a new motor. So on the label it says 230 208 230 and 460 volt. So it's a dual voltage motor, and these are the wiring option here we have here for the low voltage and the high voltage. So for the low voltage, for the example, so T1 and T7 will connect with the line 1, and line 2 T2 and whatever it is. So we will connect that as per this schematic. For the high voltage it is here, so always follow the instruction. So this is 208 incoming power, because this unit is, the whole unit is on 208, so there is no conversion transformer installed. So we're gonna wire it as per this schematic. I got a brand new pulley because the screw was stuck, it was not opening properly, so I got a new one, and we'll install the pulley line. I'll test it back again. Okay, so new motor back in, properly wired, 3-phase input as per the schematic, new pulley, and new belt, proper tightened. So everything is looking okay. I just want to check the rotation before closing this circuit box. So the thermostat was already calling for the both 2-stage heating. So let's turn on the power. Okay, calling for W1 W2. Inverter motor started. Waiting for ignition. Okay. Unit fired up. Waiting for our new motor. Observe it. Okay, rotation is good. Just gonna check for amps draw. Let's take out the multimeter. Amps draw is very much important when you change the motor or even during the maintenance. Okay. Hands are slippery because of that WD-40. Okay. So the amps, so we're gonna test on the contactor side. .2. 4.2, 4.1. Okay, so amps reading are looking okay. So customer has heat. Thank you for watching.